my heck, he's so flappy. Whoa! Look at those flappy guys. Oh my word. That is so awesome. Hey Max, did Papa get you a surprise in the mail? Let's see what it does? Yeah. He does not, he has no idea what it is. Okay.
No, it's tape.
Yep, let's get the tape off.
Want me to get it?
Max, he has no idea, huh? No idea. What is the surprise your daddy got you? Do you have any idea? We have an idea.
Let me see. Well, why is it not out there?
I think you got it. Yep. What did your sweet daddy get you? What is that?
It says, Monty got a purple wing guy.
He did? Don't shake that out.
You can spill that out.
Yeah, your daddy will help you.
It has playful. That's cute. I got a wing guy.
What?
No, a symbol in it?
I got a tiny wing guy.
What? It's a baby?
It's like that one.
Oh my heck, how tiny is he?
That's cute.
Is it a baby?
That's cute.
Oh my goodness,
yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Did you even know they made those tiny guys?
Let me pull it out.
Oh my gosh! He's adorable!
Show.
Look at his little tiny arms!
Alrighty.
Are you a little nervous?
Yeah.
I can fit.
Alright, shall we?
Max,
Yeah,
your baby
do it.
guy.
Do the honors?
Do the honors of your little baby guy. Here, there you go. Yep.
We have a very long cord.
It's just a baby. Just gonna take, oh, you have to turn the switch too, I bet. Yeah, keep it plugged in, and then I
Plug it
bet
in.
he's got a switch too, I bet. Somewhere.
Let's do that.
There's the switch. Do
Do you
it.
see a switch? Oh my goodness!
Yeah, the baby wing guy.
He's tiny! Look at his little body! Oh, he's so cute!
Really tiny little arms.
Oh my gosh! He's got little squeaky arms.
Is he tiny?
He's so tiny! He's littler than you!
Why is he tiny?
He's a new little baby wing guy! Oh, he's so cute!
Yeah,
Yeah, he has tiny little flappy guy arms. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. What are you gonna name him? Wingai? Look at that jolly little face.
Okay, his face is like rabbit.
He's smiley guy, huh?
What's this inside of him?
Oh my heck, that's a blower.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like
So
that
cute.
one? Now you have all the sizes. Now it just gets bigger and bigger from there on out.
You got
Let me see it. Ah, it's windy. It's windy.
Is it windy in there? Oh yeah, that's like a fan. Oh my
Look
heck.
at.
Let's look at his tiny little head. Look at your little guy.
Be careful. That's pretty awesome.
He's so
It's
cute.
rabbit.
He is fabric. It's adorable. Oh my goodness. So adorable.
Is it tiny?
Little teeny tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
He has two. Yes, he has one. He has two. No.
2 little flapper arms?
No, yes. 2 faces.
Oh, he does. 1 on the back, 1 on the front. And he's got a tag that says, "Look our way."
It's a look our way.
He is a look our way.
Get the other wing, guys.
You want to get your other baby red?
What? Then we get 2.
You have a huge one, a big papa, and a baby. Do you want to get your other baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna get sister.
Okay, I'll go get him. There's red baby guy, blue baby guy. Oh my gosh, look at all your babies.
Mama here.
Thank you. Here, he wants to go by his daddy. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's standing up.
Oh no.
You might need a couple new batteries. A little bit. Should I put some batteries in him?
Which one should I pick?
Well, baby red has a new battery. So he should be pretty crazy. And blueberry.
Aha!
What?
A tune and blueberry.
Okay. You gonna do blueberry first?
Yeah.
Blueberry! Yay! He's floppy again! Oh my heck, look how floppy. Look at those 2 brothers.
Yeah, those them.
Look at the brothers. Are you flopping too over there? What do you think of your 2 new brothers?
Huh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
The glasses. I think guys.
Oh, you're gonna get back there to look at them? What do you think?
Come on, see what it looks like. Come over here and see what it looks
From down there. Oh, they're so cute. Fan Man might need some new batteries too.
Oh, he might not roll.
There, he just needs new batteries.
Remember we got him?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? His tape came off. And then if his fabric touches this intake, that sucks his air in and it sucks into it.
It does it by itself.
Yeah. Unless if he falls down and he like kind of sucks at his head from there. I'm gonna turn all your guys on together, all your baby guys, and then I'll go. Whoa! Then I'll go get Papa Banana. Oh my gosh, he's so floppy. Look at that floppy doodle guy. Floppy doodle dandy. He's a floppy doodle dandy. 2, 1. Look how calm little Blueberry is. He's so calm. Oh, are you going to lay him down?
He's not going though. It's putting tight.
Yeah, he won't. I'll hold him until you turn him on, okay? Ready? Woo! Nice. Look at those babies. I mean, one blueberry baby and one Papa banana. Oh, he just fell asleep. Sounds pretty awesome. I'm being very careful laying him out. Very nice and flat. Whoa! Oh yeah! That is awesome! Woo! Oh, look at little flappy guy over there. Oh my heck, look at little flapper. Little flappy guy. Do you love these guys so much? Where's little baby Red? Shall we get baby Red?
That's tune in.
Do you want him to put him between them?
I'm putting
Right there? You don't want him to go between those two? There, yeah. Then he's not lonely. Oh man, look at these jolly guys. So jolly. Oh, look, he loves him. He says, hi, big brother.
Hi, Blueberry. I got big brother, yeah.
Did he get stuck a little? Yeah, gotta give him a little flap. Oh, Blueberry. Blueberry has a baby brother. Yeah, you can't decide where's the best place. There's so many best places for him. Oh my heck, he's so flappy. Whoa! Look at those flappy guys. Oh my word. That is so awesome. Three babies. Very cute. Yeah, which one? Yeah, whatever you want. Okay.
Where's the switch?
Oh, yep, right there. You know the drill.
There's hook inside here.
Tiny little fan. Little fan. So cute.
Okay.
Love it.
And it turns out like this.
See how puppy? There he goes. There you go, little guy.
I like this.
So cute. He's so darling. Whoops!
Ow, my cord got plucked out. Ah.
He's very shiny. I like his shiny material. It's very beautiful, isn't it? He's a beautiful little guy. Just beautiful. Okay. Do
Let's start doing this one.
a tutorial.
I was doing this one.
Neat. Okay, I'll do that because it's a little scary.
This one is I hate this tool. I'm doing two yet.
Okay. To be blueberry and banana. Oh, you want me to hold him? Okay. You go, little fella. You go. Little floppy guy.
I'm playing this.
Oh, okay. Woo!
I see the bag.
You see that? Whoa, look at that.
Michael, let's see it. It's in the hood.
Ooh, that's really nice. I would just just in case. Because it spins around, it might pinch that. Just to be careful. I'm sure it's pretty safe. Look at these cute guys. They are adorable. Look at Banana. He's just being so cool up there. He's just flopping. Oh, you're putting him on that Mario block. That's a nice touch.
Whoa. Okay, value back.
The Mario person block.